So hi, we are right now in Borewell Tank site in Territorial Forest of Mysuru Forest Division. Interestingly, Earth Brigade Foundation has done the first site ever in any territorial forest across the country, which is this one. If you see this forest out here, this is actually the connecting forest to the Hills and the BR Hills of Karnataka. And because the number of tigers have grown in that area also, the tigers have moved to this area. So surprisingly, you would know that in territorial forest right now, there are 4 tigers in this area. And this is an absolutely dry area. There is no water out here in summers out here, and which gets very difficult for the animals. And they move out into the human territory and the cases of conflicts happen. So actually, to avoid the conflict of tigers and humans here, we want to give water in this area. Another issue for us here is the elephants out here. So if you see, for the first time we are doing an elevated installation. If you see, we have actually elevated the installation by 20 feet so that the elephants do not destroy the area and do not destroy our solar panels and the installation as well. So the panels will be installed at the top, 20 feet top, so that and then we'll also be doing an elephant trench out here, so it will save our panels and our entire system out here. And this area has got a very good prey base out here. We have got gaur out here, we have got sambar, we have got cheetal and other herbivorous animals for the tigers to survive here. So right now 4 tigers, actually a couple of females are also there. So we hope that the water that we are giving to the big lake out here will help the animals to breed as well here, and the animals will stay here in summers as well. So we are at Menasinamunti in Mysuru Territorial Forest. This is one of the 2 sites that we are doing in territorial range of Mysuru Forest Division. And as I said, it's the first time that we have done any sites in any territorial forest in the entire country. This area is a very dry area. Regular tiger movement in this area, plus a lot of elephant, very heavy elephant movement in this area. We thank our supporters for the contributions towards Project Aquarius in Mysuru Territorial.